Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how can we make our text bold, italic or a different style while posting on Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter. So I normally use a tool, a kind of application to convert my text to different styling what I use. So for example, if I'm typing here like hello friends, all I need to do is just click on show. This is Unicode text converter, by the way, and I will show you the link of this text converter in the description of this video. So for example, I just want to use this particular styling to post on my Facebook, or if in case if I want to use different styling at a time, that also I can do. I can simply select that particular text in different styling here and paste it wherever I want. I can paste it in LinkedIn or maybe on WhatsApp, or wherever I want to paste I can do this. So this is Unicode text converter. You'll find it in the description. Please let me know if this really helps you, and please like and subscribe this channel.